If you want your text to look great on every screen in Framer, you need to make it responsive the right way. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to make text scale smoothly, stay readable on desktop and mobile, and fit neatly inside your layout without breaking the design. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more Framer tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Framer and get started. First, open Framer and open the project you want to work on. Once your page is loaded, click on the text layer you want to make responsive. This can be a heading, a paragraph, or any text element that needs to adapt to different screen sizes. Now look over to the right-hand panel. This is where Framer gives you most of the controls for layout and typography. The first thing you want to do is set the text width to auto or fill. Choosing auto lets the text size itself naturally based on the content, while fill makes the text stretch to match the width of its container. In many cases, this is the first step that helps text respond better inside a layout. Next, go to the font size settings. Framer gives you responsive font sizing options, and this is where the real magic happens. Click the plus icon next to the font size controls if needed, then adjust the size using percentage values, VW units, or by dragging the slider. Using VW can be especially helpful because it scales the text based on the width of the browser window, which makes the design feel much more fluid. If your version of Framer includes it, use the min and max size controls as well. This is a really useful way to keep your text from becoming too small on mobile or too large on big desktop screens. Set a minimum font size so it stays readable on small devices, and set a maximum font size so it doesn't stretch too far on larger displays. This gives you much better control and keeps your typography polished across all breakpoints. Another important step is to place your text inside a stack, also known as auto layout. If your text is sitting in a section or frame by itself, it may not behave as responsively as you want. To create a stack, select the elements you want to group and press Shift+A. Framer will place them inside an auto layouts container, which helps the content adjust more naturally as the screen changes size. This is especially useful when your text is paired with buttons, images, or other content blocks. The stack keeps spacing and alignment consistent so your design stays clean and organized on every device. If you're building a landing page or a hero section, this step can make a huge difference in how your content behaves. Once you've adjusted the width, font size, and layout structure, take a moment to test your design. Resize the browser window and preview the page at different breakpoints. Make sure the text is still easy to read and that it doesn't overflow, wrap awkwardly, or crowd other elements. If it does, go back and fine-tune the font size or container settings until it feels right. After everything looks good, click Publish to update your Framer site. That's it. Your text is now responsive and ready for real users across desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you found this useful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Framer tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.